This is the Avaya 9611G IP phone. The 9611G features gigabit Ethernet that will enhance work performance and increase productivity. This phone is essential for users who rely on real-time voice communication. The 9611G offers headset as well as web browser support. Included with the 9611G is the phone stand, handset, and handset cord. At Atlas Phones, you can purchase the Avaya 9611G as new or like new. Our like new phones are refurbished, offering you a great quality product for an even better price. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.